the sound you're like and record simple idea. Then add lead and use the same notes with the different pattern. After that, add this crazy synth bass to get that Slayr unique sound. And for the last part of the melody, add this lead. When it comes to drums, you have to start with the snare pattern. Then add classic clap. After that, make crazy, unique hi-hat pattern with the next hi-hat that amplifies the sound. Then add 2 different open hats for more bouncy effect. Add perk. And for the last part, add this crispy 808 with this pattern, and you're done. Here is final loop with drums.